Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be changing out the rear shocks on my Lexus CT200 hybrid. This is going to be the same process for a Toyota Prius. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up, help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. We'll get started here in just a moment. We are replacing it with these bad boys. Subscribe to the channel. I already did these in another video. Loosen these up, but don't take it off yet. Alright, before I jack it up, you're going to go over to the rear, pop the hatch. Right there. Expose this cover. Let's see, I think that is a 17mm nut. I don't know what Allen key that is, but let's find out. This is a 6mm Allen key. Put it right there just to hold it in place. 17mm crescent wrench. Wasn't on tight at all. Just cracking it loose. Let's go back down to the wheels. Alright, wheel off. Next, you're going to need two 17mm sockets to hold this one, and then one on the other side. You got to hold it from spinning. Okay. Now we go back up top into the trunk. Back to this side. Go ahead and take that off now. I don't want to give you motion sickness. Go ahead and just back that all the way off. To put it off to the side, remember this goes on first, and then this little washer, and then your new nut in your kit. Now we're at the hardest part of this whole DIY. It's going to be breaking this loose, because it's pretty much wedged in there, right there. So the easiest way I found is just kind of taking this very large jumbo size flathead screwdriver, and just like a 10-pound hammer, and just giving it some taps right here, and it'll pretty much crack it loose. Oh, this side came out very easy. Alright, let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay. Alright. This side came out a lot easier than the other side, I'll tell you that. We're actually going to reuse this little top cover sleeve thing. Pull it off. Yeah. See? Let's go over to our new part. Here's our new part right here. Just careful taking it off. I usually charge it 3 times. One, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and put the sleeve on it. Here's your new nut. Let's go back to get it reinstalled. This part here is going to be very hard to get. Not hard, but you might have to hammer it in because it's going to be a pretty tight fit. I'm going to get my flat blade screwdriver and give it soft hammer taps. I'm just lining up the holes. So mine actually lined up pretty easily, which is great. Go ahead and get this. Get a hammer on this too, because it's a pointed edge. Whoops, pointed edge. Just gonna make sure it lines up, but it's pretty much there, it looks like. Alright, got it on. Going over to the other side, putting the little nut back on it. Just put that on tightly. Well, I already got that all tightened up. I'm actually going to go ahead and stop the video because I'm going to try to keep it short. Make sure when you put your car back down, that's when you're going to want to tighten it up here. Don't tighten it too tight right here just yet because you want the car to be flush on the ground. But wrapping this video up, if you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And I will see you in the next one.